Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make macaroni and cheese with a twist. Okay, so we're going to start with butter. I'm going to add flour. I'll put my recipe in the description. Mix this together. Make like a paste. It's going to be like a paste. And it'll thicken up our milk. Okay, it looks beautiful. Now we're going to slowly add milk. Okay, looking good. I'm trying to stir it and get some of the lumps out of it. It will get lumpy, so you don't have to worry about that. Just. Okay, looking good. Oh, that looks perfect. So we're going to let this cook so it thickens up. And then we're going to add our cheese. A little while to thicken up. Alright, it's starting to thicken up now. I would say it takes probably a good 5 minutes for this to sit up. Going to kind of keep an eye on so it doesn't burn when it does. We're going to add salt and pepper. So we're going to add that. Now the twist to this, which I made macaroni and cheese the other day and they were raving about it. So this is the secret. So if you don't like mustard, you do not have to put this in. This is what I added, this extra step. It does kick up the flavor. It is so good. So, I did a nice long squirt of mustard. Let's see. Good, starting to thicken up really nicely. Ooh. Now I already cooked my macaronis and I'm just going to mix it. When this is done, I'm going to mix it right in there. A little bit more and it'll be ready for the cheese. So I'm going to add cheddar cheese. This recipe I never vary off the cheddar cheese, but if you want to choose another cheese, you can. My mother-in-law used to put American cheese. Any cheese she had left over in the refrigerator, she would toss it in her macaroni and cheese, but I kind of just stick to the cheddar cheese. All right, it's starting to thicken up now. Oh my goodness. Okay, it is definitely ready. Look. Can you see how thick that is? It's starting to bubble. That is. Yeah, that is like perfect. All right. Can you see how? All right, so let's put the cheese in. I doubled my recipe, so I'm going to use this whole bag. You would not use this whole bag. I'm going to kind of turn it off. I think this is hot enough to melt the cheese. Now it'll really thicken up. Now it'll really get thick. Let's see. Okay, then I'm going to save some of this and then put it on the top. Okay, it's pretty well done. So I already have my macaronis done, so I'm just going to stir them in here. And then this is going to go in a baking dish. Now remember, I doubled my recipe. Yours will not be this much. All right. Stir it really good so all the macaroni is covered with the cheese. Okay. Getting a little full here. Yours will probably be way easier than this to stir because I made such a large amount. And I put it in this skillet because it's better for my video. But you can use it in the Dutch oven. So nice. And make sure all the macaroni is covered. You want to make sure every bit of it's covered. And that's it. It looks excellent. It looks delicious. I'm going to eat it right out of the pan. Okay, I sprayed a 9 by 13 baking dish with Pam. And now I'm going to load it up with the macaronis. It's going to be just like it is now. So I really filled it. I really fill this pan because it's pretty much going to stay the same. It's not going to rise. It's not going to do anything. So I try to fill the pan. So I'm going to put cheese on the top. Okay, so now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes. It should be bubbling and the top should be sort of brown. Okay, so the macaroni and cheese is done. It looks absolutely tasty and delicious. So let's eat.